Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to lesson 4 of our crash course in spoken Egyptian. In this episode we will learn an important phrase which is أنا ما بحبش أتكلم كتير عن نفسي. أنا ما بحبش أتكلم كتير عن نفسي. I don't like to talk a lot or speak a lot about myself. We will learn this phrase in detail, learn each word and how it came from and how it's used in spoken Egyptian. So let's start right away. أنا ما بحبش أتكلم كتير عن نفسي. I don't like to speak a lot about myself. Our first word here is أنا. أنا, it's a pronoun which means I. Okay, so it's very easy. أنا, I. In Egyptian and also in Modern Standard Arabic. أنا, I. Our second word is ما بحبش. ما بحبش here is a negation. So it's negation of the verb يحب. يحب as a verb, it is to like or to love. يحب. So to conjugate it easily or simply, so I say أنا أحب. This is a simple present. Or if I'm using the be imperfect tense, I say أنا بحب. أنا بحب is used as a fact or used as a continuous action. So أنا بحب. This is a conjugation of the verb with أنا in the be imperfect tense. أنا بحب. In order to make the negation, we add ما at the beginning, then sh at the end, while keeping بحب in the middle. For more information about the negation, you can follow my episode up there. It's dedicated to the negation in spoken Egyptian. So, بحب is the verb, ما بحبش is the negation of the verb. So, أنا ما بحبش, it means I don't like or I don't love. A rule in spoken Egyptian, when a verb comes after another verb, it comes in what we know as the simple present in spoken Egyptian. What do I mean by this simple present? It is just the present tense without the be of the be imperfect. So for example, the verb يحب, you say أنا أحب. This is simple present, or adding the be, it becomes be imperfect أنا بحب. So when we add the verb in the second position after another verb, we add this, we don't add the be, it is in the simple present. So when I say أنا ما بحبش, so ما بحبش here is the first verb, بحب. The second verb is يتكلم, to talk. So أنا أتكلم, the conjugation with I. So I bring this in the simple present. So أنا ما بحبش أتكلم. I don't like to talk. Okay? So or to speak. أتكلم here is the conjugation with the verb of the verb يتكلم with I. أنا أتكلم. كتير, it means a lot. كتير. And the opposite is قليل. Okay? Which is some or few. So كتير, it means a lot. So أنا معايا فلوس كتير, for example. I have a lot of money. أنا معايا أولاد كتير. I have a lot of many children. Okay? So كتير here, it means a lot or many. So أنا ما بحبش أتكلم كتير عن نفسي. So أنا ما بحبش أتكلم كتير. I don't like to speak a lot. So كتير here, it means a lot. Then we go to a preposition which is عن. Okay, a preposition which is عن. And I have a dedicated YouTube episode about prepositions in spoken Egyptian up there. So you can check this episode to know more about the prepositions. So عن is about. أنا ما بحبش أتكلم عن. I don't like to talk about. عن here, it means about. And pay attention to the pronunciation of the letter عين. عن. Okay, عن is very important. This brings us to our last word, which is نفسي, which means myself. نفسي, myself. نفسه, himself. نفسها, herself. Okay, so نفسي is myself. نفسك, yourself to a male. نفسك, yourself to a female. Okay, so نفسي, it means myself. So let's have the sentence or the phrase complete now. أنا ما بحبش أتكلم كتير عن نفسي. I don't like to speak a lot about myself. Now in this episode we learned an interesting phrase in spoken Egyptian, and more importantly, each word in this phrase represents part or a component of the spoken Egyptian. So we learned something about the negation in spoken Egyptian, something about the prepositions in spoken Egyptian as well. So the phrase again, أنا ما بحبش أتكلم كتير عن نفسي. I don't like to speak a lot about myself. I hope this phrase was easy for you to digest. Thanks a lot for watching this episode. Don't forget to like this episode and also subscribe to Linguamid. If you have any question, comment in the comment section below and ask me any question. I'm available to answer any question that you have. Also, don't forget to join my free Egyptian Arabic 101 course. It's a fundamental course that's very important for the background in spoken Egyptian. You will find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in a future episode.